The 2025 indoor TV antenna offers an impressive range of over 2,500 miles, allowing access to numerous free local channels in high definition without any subscription fees. With its omnidirectional signal reception and advanced amplifier, this antenna ensures a stable signal even in challenging reception areas, making it suitable for both urban and rural locations. Its versatility is enhanced by a 38-foot coaxial cable, providing flexible placement options indoors or outdoors, whether it be in a living room, garage, or even a recreational vehicle. Installation is straightforward, requiring just 3 simple steps, and it is compatible with both modern smart televisions and older models. The compact and weather-resistant design, featuring high-quality materials and a waterproof cover, ensures durability and reliable performance in adverse weather conditions. Backed by a lifetime warranty and dedicated customer service, users can confidently address any reception or installation concerns they might encounter.